What is up, you guys? It's your girl Adriana XO1 and welcome back to my channel. And I've missed saying that line for a while now. In a new house, new era of my life. It's been 6 months since my last upload, and it's been quite some time since I have changed my hair on camera for you all. I have switched to Instagram full time now, and I just like posting reels, but I'll be trying to make more long form content like this. But in today's video, we are going to be trying out a hair dye. This is a new brand in India and it's called Anveya. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is the Anveya Colorisma. Is that how you pronounce it? And this is the semi-permanent color, which also has some bond repair technology inside it. I don't know how that works, but yeah, we're gonna be turning my hair blue. Last time I turned my hair blue, it's been about a year, and I'll link the video right up here for you all to check it out. And that was using Birds of Paradise. And now we are going to be trying out this new brand. It's just going to be a quick review video, so I don't think I'll be filming the hair dyeing process. I think I'll be filming the hair dyeing process for my Instagram reels instead. So please don't forget to check out my Instagram. I really do post a lot more there, and you'll get to see like snippets of my life. So without much further ado, let's get started with this video. So quick updates: Mochi turns 2 this November and he's grown up to be such a big boy. Okay guys, so this is what we're dealing with right here. This is a beautiful purple fade. I love my purples because my purples have always done me justice. It suits my skin tone. They fade to a beautiful silver pastel purple, like you can see right here. Absolutely love it. Do I think this is the perfect base for blue? Maybe. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna just hope to God that it catches on well, because this has been pre-lightened 3 times before the purple. And as always, disclaimer, you need pre-lightened hair. You need hair that's super pale, super blonde, and if you can avoid the blonde yellow pigment that comes in, that's better. We don't want any oranges, we don't want any unnecessary yellows. And yeah, I think that should be enough. And again, word of precaution, use this on dirty hair. Try not to use it on freshly washed hair. It's just something that I prefer to do. Even during bleaching, I tend to slather my entire hair in coconut oil. So I'll quickly show you guys how the product looks like. So this is how it looks like. I'll just show you guys like a more close-up of this. So the MRP for this is around 795, and I'm sorry, that's Mochi's hair everywhere. So this is around 795 rupees. And it does boast of having some bond repairing thingy going on with it. Let's see if it fixes my hair. My hair is not really that damaged. It's still like living, it's still surviving. So we're gonna try this out and make sure that this actually does what it claims to be doing. Okay, so I got this for around 395 during the Amazon Great Indian Sale that's going on right now. So this comes with a seal, and I'm trying to break the seal right now. And okay, view my swatch with my usual technique. I just put it on my arm. As usual, this is not how you swatch hair dyes, but I'm gonna show it like a makeup swatch. So this has a more purplish tint. I like that. I like blues that have a purple tint because it means that when it fades, it's gonna fade pretty. And I don't really like blue dyes that have a lot of blue tint, because then it turns my hair teal, turns it very green, murky, mossy. Get what I'm saying? I don't really fuck with that. But yeah, this is good. So I'm just gonna like tell you how it smells like. Oh, okay. This is not as powerful as the Paradise's dyes. It's not like in your face florally. It's a very, very subtle fragrance. It's super subtle. I like the texture so far, but I'm gonna be putting this on now. I don't think I'll be recording the process of me putting it on for YouTube, because I've got hundreds of videos here that show you exactly how I do my application of hair dye. And at the same time, I think that I'll have to dye my hair without gloves, because this is a new home and I did not have time to get gloves myself. So wear your gloves. It's pretty simple. Section your hair into 2-3 sections. Just like, you know, do that. Make sure your hair is all detangled, comb it out. Wear your glove. Section, just start applying it, you know, liberally. I think you can let this sit for 30 minutes, and I think that should be enough. I'm not able to read the instructions here, but I'm gonna just make a rough guess and say keep it on for 30-45 minutes, and I think that should be enough. I am still deciding if I want to dilute this with conditioner or not. I'll keep updating you guys if I manage to do that. But yeah, I think we're gonna get started right about now, and I'll see you guys in a quick minute editing magic, and you all will see how the hair dye looks on my hair. So this is how it looks like right now. It's a mess, but this is how it is. I just want you guys to see how the color payoff is gonna show. Like, this is how purplish the tint is, more purplish than blue. And this whole tube, I still have some more remaining. I'm gonna save it for a touch up maybe in the future, mix it with a little bit of conditioner over time. We're gonna let this sit for 35 to 45 minutes now. I'm gonna rinse it off in cold water, no shampoo, because that is my usual routine. I don't know what the indications are for this brand, but I don't think I'm gonna use shampoo. I usually like to let the color saturate as much as it can post the first wash. Let it go under the cold water, and I keep rinsing until the water runs clear under the shower. And that's pretty much it. I do not double condition usually, because these semi-permanent dyes are usually very conditioner based, and they do tend to make your hair incredibly soft and shiny. So I don't think I'm gonna condition or shampoo this off. I'm just gonna rinse it. So see you guys after 30-45 minutes, but edited to be literally 1 second. This is how it looks like the next day. This is no straightening, nothing. It's just serum and a little bit of scrunching. I like this. I like the way it looks when it's not styled. As you can see, there's no frizz. Everything is sleek, wavy but sleek at the same time. This is how the back looks like, and I hope you guys can see that this is not a true blue. It's like the blue that you get from a ballpoint pen. So it's more like a purple blue. The shade has been consistent throughout. I'm not mad about that. It has picked up everywhere. It has covered up my white hair that is usually here on my scalp. I do have white hair, guys. Shocker, I know. Your girl's turning old. So this was the Moroccan blue shade, right? And as you can see, this is how it looked like even when it was staining. So it kind of makes sense that this was more of a purple based blue. Let me tell you guys again, purple based blues will always give you the most pretty fades ever as compared to blue blues, right? And I know that some people would prefer their hair being more denim blue, more midnight blue. And I feel like this suits me, and I feel like purple was just meant for me. But yeah, this could be called a blue, but I'm not really sure. It's like a purple blue. So do I recommend this brand? Absolutely yes, go for it. I like the consistency, I like the formula, I like the way that it smells. It's not too overpowering. This brand gets a huge thumbs up from me, and I like the color payoff as well. It was more than enough for my hair that is like chest length long, maybe just like below my shoulders. And I think if you have hair longer than this, you would need to go ahead and get 2 tubes. But I like the consistency a lot. It's really nice. So if you guys like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you guys would like me to try any other color or any other brand that's here in India, and I'd love to do that for you all. Also remember that I have an Instagram where I upload almost every day, and yeah, do follow me on there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.